Time signatures are musical notations that indicate how many beats are in each measure of a piece of music, and what type of note receives one beat. Found at the beginning of a music score, right after the clef and key signature. Time signature consists of two numbers stacked on top of each other. The top number tells you how many beats there are in a measure or bar, and the bottom number shows you the note value that equals one beat. So for example, in 4/4 time signature, there are 4 beats per measure, and a quarter note or crotchet gets 1 beat. This helps musicians understand the rhythm and pace at which to play the music. Today, we will be going beyond simple time signatures, looking at 2/2, 3/2, 4/2 and 3/8, which all relate to the Grade 2 ABRSM qualification requirements. Beyond the basics. Have you ever wondered how a simple sequence of notes can capture the essence of adventure, or how the same melody can morph, reflecting various emotions and stories? Now let's embark on a fascinating journey through the world of time signatures, where every beat and rhythm tells a unique story. Our adventure starts in the realm of 2/2 time, a domain where melodies march onwards with a bold pace. This is known as cut time or à la brève, which means each measure has 2 beats, and each beat equals a half note. Now this is useful for faster music because it helps musicians read and play quick parts easily. 2/2 timing is often found in the heart of country music, brings to life tales of determination and grit, classics like Jolene by Dolly Parton, and Folsom Prison Blues by Johnny Cash. Highlighting the power of 2/2. As we venture into the reflective world of 3/2 time. In sheet music, the time signature of 3/2 is represented by 3 atop a 2, positioned right after the clef and key signature before the music notes begin. The 3 indicates that there are 3 beats in each measure, while the 2 signifies that a half note or minim equals 1 beat. The total duration of notes within a single measure will equate to 3 half notes. The journey continues as we ascend to the majestic lands of 4/2 time. In this space, our melody takes on a noble quality, transforming into an anthem of hope and resilience. The music in 4/2 time calls to the brave, inspiring tales of courage. We now arrive in a lively world of 3/8 time, where our melody adopts a light-hearted rhythm. Music in 3/8 time often has a lively, upbeat feel and is used in music such as waltzes and polkas, as well as in folk and pop music. In the joyous bounce of 3/8, music teaches us to find delight in the unexpected and to dance through life with an open heart. Success in the learning process. A big part of the learning process is learning from previous mistakes. It's natural for us as humans to look at mistakes as weaknesses, especially in music, but by embracing this we can reverse the effect. Now, Jimi Hendrix was famously quoted as saying, "I've been imitated so well, I've heard people copy my mistakes," and that is one of the greatest guitarists of all time. So reread, rewrite and replay along the way, and you cannot fail. Trust me, as someone who is not a natural academic, this has helped me immensely over the years to become a better musician and more confident. Still craving the basics of time signatures? This video on stream will bring you up to scratch in no time at all, if you excuse the pun.